Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get Robinhood Gold Card. Step 1 is open the Robinhood application in your mobile phone or on the laptop depending on wherever you are using the Robinhood. And once you're at the home page, make sure that the step 1 is if you want to get the golden card or gold card of the Robinhood, make sure that you have verified your identity. You can just click on this complete sign up option, and once you click here, make sure that you have given them all the information and they have verified your identity. You can just click on continue. If not, you can just fill out the information, your phone number, your social security number, the address proof, the some kind of, they might ask you for the national card, ID card, or like your passport. So just give them all the information, and once verified, you can just click on this card option, which is just on the left side of the profile. Just click on this card option, and after that, as you can read, Robinhood Gold Card, 3% cashback across the board. You can read all the information. That's right, earn 3% cashback. It's the only credit card you'll need. You can just read all the information and stuff. No annual fees, no foreign transaction fees, 3% cashback on all categories. You can just you can just read all the benefits as well. And after that, you can just click on reserve your spot, which is this option. Just click here. And now, as you can see, you're on the wait list. Impatient, so are we. So this is basically, it might take a week or 2 weeks, and they will get back to you to ask about your information, that what like they might ask you for your name and any other details. So make sure to fill out all those details. And once done, just click on continue. And now, as you can see, like worth the wait. Basically, this is now in the wait list. So once the wait list is over, so you will be sent the Robinhood Gold Card, and you can just activate it through your mobile application as well. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can get it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.